What is up, guys? In this tutorial I'm going to be doing an in-depth PLL tutorial for the method CFOP. Let's get right into the tutorial. Okay, so if you didn't know, PLL is after you get the white cross solved, F2L, inserting all the F2L pairs, and then OLL. PLL is just fixing these sides. So I'm going to be doing in this tutorial probably the top 10 to 15 PLLs, and if I missed any of them, just leave it in the comment section and I'll be sure to make a video on that. And I'm back now because I took a little break for Christmas and stuff. So I'm back now and I'll be starting again. So let's get right into the tutorial. Alrighty, so the first PLL we're going to get into is T-perm. Now this is, either this or J-perm is my favorite PLL. But so what it is it's like where these two corners have to switch, and then in between the corners these edges have to switch. So as you can see right here is the blue side and the green side and the orange side. You can see that a blue and orange side's here and a blue and orange corner is here, and so this corner needs to go here and this corner needs to go here, and then right here we have a red edge, and then over here we have the orange edge. So these two edges right here need to switch, and then these two corners need to switch. So it makes a T. So what you would do is you would hold it so the T right here faces like this. So you can see that because these two corners switch and these two switch. So hold it so the T is facing the bar, like the top of the T is facing to the right. And then you'll do this alg. R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, 2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime. And then as you can see, that solved it. So let's go through that one more time. So as you can see, these edges need to switch, and then these corners need to switch. So hold it so the T is like facing this way, or you can see that the one edge is the solo edge facing to the left. So if you want to learn, if you want to know how to recognize it, if you're doing two-look PLL, if you see that you have a bar, you'll see, if you see you have one side solved and then an opposite to this color, then turn it opposite so that it's back here, and you can see you have a bar here, and then you can see that this corner, you see that this matches this, and this is these are opposites, and this matches this, and then you have a bar. Then let's go through it one more time. So it's R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, 2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime. So that is T-perm. I will leave links to the ALG website, or I'll leave you a link to a PDF file where I got these from, where you can just print it off. But so that was it slow, here's it fast. Alright, so let's get straight into the next ALG. Alrighty, so the next ALG is it's one of my top favorites. It's J-perm, and that is J-perm is just where you have one side solved, and then you just have these two corners that need to switch, and then these two edges that need to switch. So it's like, it looks like a J. So these two switch and these two switch. And if you're doing two-look PLL, then you can recognize this by this. So if you see, you can recognize it because if you complete OLL and then you see you have a solve side, then make the cube face you in like a diamond, and then put the solve side in like the top left, and then you'll see that you have this corner here, and this color is opposite of these. This is a bar, and then this is a bar, and this, you can see that this bar matches this side, this bar matches this side, and this is opposite of this. Then you hold it so the corners that need to switch is here, so the J is on the right, and then you do this algorithm: R, U, R prime, F prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime. Now, as you can see, that solved it. Now let's set it up one more time. Alright, so we see, so let's just set up an easy PLL. So you see we have this one, so we can just do PLL. Then we see we have solve side, so let's make a diamond, put that in the top left corner. Then we see we have a bar here that matches this side, bar here that matches this side. This edge, this corner color right here is opposite of this one. And then we can just hold it so the J is right here. And we can do R, U, R prime, F prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime. So, yeah, I hope you like these algs. They're good algs. I learned them. I actually had a PDF file, and I just printed off the papers. And I'll leave a link to these PDF files because they were really helpful. Because on the side, because what JPerm is it tells you on the PDF file. It says like it has triggers, and then it tells you, because some of these algs, like FPerm is just the same as TPerm except the last trigger first. But anyways, that was it slow, and this is JPerm fast. Yeah, it's a little sticky. I'm still working on the tensions for this cube. As you can see, I got a new cube because old cube was like the stickers are peeling off and stuff. But yeah, let's get right into the next one. Alright, so the next one we have is YPerm. And YPerm is just where you have you have two corners like that are opposite. These two corners need to switch, and then edges have to switch right here. And this is really easy to look PLL recognition, because you'll just see, and then you just turn it, and then if you see that you have two bars right here, and then this corner, this color is opposite of here, and then this side of the corner color is opposite of these ones. And if you see this, just hold it so you have these two bars here, and this is opposite of this, and this color is opposite of this one. Just hold it like so, so that these two corners need to switch and these two edges have to switch. And then you just do F, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, F prime. As you can see, it fixed it, and now we'll go over that again. Alrighty. So these two corners switch and these two edges switch, so it kind of looks like a Y. And so you can recognize, because you'll have two bars, and then this corner color will be opposite of this, supposed to be opposite of this. So you just hold it so the Y is like this. Then you do F, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, F, R, F prime. So that was the ALK. And so now let's do it fast one time, and then we'll get straight into the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is part 1 out of 2 parts because I filmed all of the PLLs and it's like 30 minutes. So I'm going to do this tutorial in 2 parts. So this is part 1. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. And part 2 will probably be out tomorrow or in a few days. So peace out. Hope you enjoyed. Legit Cuber out. Peace.